Here comes Ravi. Whoa!
Matt, come on! What do you miss this stuff? Not yet. Aspen Vic. Ready?
Uh-huh.
Yeah! Oh yeah! What was that? Don't do it! I just want to do look. That's fun! What? Brandon, you jump.
No way.
Yeah! Are you afraid of heights?
Yeah, Burkhardt's going to jump next.
Are you afraid of heights?
No, I'm just afraid of long falls into water.
Dad, I did it from the very
I know, that's amazing.
Your son did it, but you can't.
I know.
So fun. I will. I just did it from the very top. I will do it.